the guys might think I will buff in his Jew. But
Why do I think that?
Not going to. Hey,
Sam calls them the hiccups, but they sound to me like those really deep burps that you get right before you barf. And so I'm trying to get him home as fast as possible before he just sprays barf all over the inside of this truck. You think you can hold on for a few more minutes?
Yeah.
Do not barf. Do not barf.
Do it.
Do not barf, Sam. Stop making that noise, dude. Because just hearing that noise makes me want to barf.
I can't.
Oh, you're gonna make me drive you, dude, if I keep hearing that. Do not barf. Stop doing that. Stop.
I'm done.
That was the last one. That was the last one, right? You're not gonna do it again? Good, because it's grossing me out.
Good. Sorry. Stop.